Hey there, builders and makers. Welcome to an exciting journey where creativity meets innovation. Ever dreamed of zipping around on your own electric vehicle? Imagine the freedom of no more gas stations, no more pollution, just pure electric fun. Whether it's an electric bike or a cart, the possibilities are endless. This comprehensive guide will show you how to build your own electric cart or bike from scratch. We'll cover everything from selecting the right parts to assembling them with precision. It's easier than you think. With a bit of patience and enthusiasm, you'll be amazed at what you can create. Get ready for an awesome adventure. This project is not just about building a vehicle, it's about embarking on a journey of discovery and learning. We'll be using simple tools and easy-to-find parts. You don't need a high-tech workshop or expensive equipment, just basic tools and a can-do attitude. This project is perfect for beginners. Even if you've never built anything before, you'll find this guide easy to follow. Don't worry, we'll explain everything in detail. We'll take it step by step, breaking down each process so you can follow along without any confusion. By the end, you'll have a super cool electric ride that you built yourself. Imagine the pride and joy of cruising around on something you created with your own hands. This project is more than just building something. It's about understanding the principles behind it. You'll learn about electricity, mechanics, and problem solving. These skills are not only useful for this project, but can be applied to many other areas of life. You'll gain hands-on experience with wiring, assembling parts, and troubleshooting issues. It's a fantastic way to develop your technical skills. Plus, it's a total blast. Working on a project like this can be incredibly fun and rewarding, especially when shared with friends and family. So, are you ready to get started? Let's dive in and create something amazing together. The world of DIY electric vehicles awaits you. Before we start building, we need the right tools and parts. Just like any great project, preparation is key. Having everything you need at your fingertips will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Think of it like baking a cake. You wouldn't start baking without first gathering all your ingredients, right? You need the right ingredients. Each component plays a crucial role in the final product, ensuring everything works together seamlessly. Here's a list of what we'll need. Having a checklist can help you stay organized and ensure you don't miss any critical parts. Bike or cart frame. This is the base of your vehicle. You can use an old bike or cart or buy a new one. The frame is the skeleton that holds everything together, so make sure it's sturdy and in good condition. Electric motor. This is the muscle of your ride. It provides the power to move. Choosing the right motor is essential for performance and efficiency. Battery. This is the heart of your vehicle. It stores the energy for the motor. A good battery will ensure you have enough power to get where you need to go. Motor controller. This is the brain. It controls the speed of the motor. The controller ensures that the power from the battery is delivered smoothly to the motor. Throttle. This is how you'll control the speed. It's like the gas pedal. The throttle allows you to regulate how fast or slow you want to go. Wires and connectors. These connect all the parts together. Proper wiring is crucial for the safety and functionality of your vehicle. Tools. You'll need some basic tools like wrenches, screwdrivers, and wire strippers. Having the right tools will make the assembly process much easier and more efficient. Don't worry about finding these parts. You can find them online or at your local bike shop. There are plenty of resources available to help you get everything you need. Make sure to get the right parts for your project. Compatibility is key, so double-check the specifications to ensure everything will work together. We'll talk more about choosing the right parts later. For now, let's focus on gathering everything we need to get started. With the right preparation, you'll be well on your way to building your electric dream vehicle. Now the fun part begins. We're going to build our electric vehicle step by step. Remember, take your time and follow each step carefully. Let's get building. Before we start building, let's think about our design. Do you want a cool electric cart to carry your stuff, or maybe a speedy electric bike? Sketch your design on paper. Decide where to put the motor, battery, and controller. The heart of your beast motor installation. The motor is the muscle of our vehicle. We need to install it securely on our frame. For bikes, we usually attach it to the rear wheel hub. For carts, we can mount it on the axle. Use strong brackets and bolts to secure the motor. Powering up battery installation. The battery is like the fuel tank. It stores energy. We need to find a safe and secure place to mount it. Many people use a metal box or bag to protect the battery. Make sure it's securely fastened to the frame. The brain, connecting the motor controller. The motor controller is the brain of our vehicle. It tells the motor how fast to go. We'll connect the controller to the battery, motor, and throttle. Follow the wiring diagram carefully. It's like connecting the dots. Taking control. Installing the throttle. The throttle lets us control the speed. We'll mount it on the handlebars for easy access. Connect the throttle to the motor controller with wires. Connecting the dots. Electrical connections. Now it's time to connect everything together. We'll use wires to connect the battery, motor, controller, and throttle. Make sure the connections are secure and insulated. Use zip ties to keep the wires organized. The moment of truth testing. Time to see if it works. Turn on the power and gently twist the throttle. The motor should start spinning. Check all the connections and make sure everything is working properly. Putting it all together, final assembly. If everything works, we can do the final assembly. This includes putting on any remaining parts like seats, lights, or fenders. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Building an electric vehicle is fun, but safety is always the most important thing. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a first-time DIY enthusiast, taking the right precautions can make all the difference. Here are some essential safety tips to keep in mind. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when working with tools and electrical components. These protective gears shield your eyes from sparks and your hands from sharp edges and electrical hazards. Make sure the battery is properly installed and secured to prevent any accidents. A loose battery can cause malfunctions or even fires. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and use the right tools to secure it firmly. Double-check all electrical connections to ensure they are secure and insulated to avoid shorts or shocks. Use high-quality electrical tape or heat shrink tubing to insulate connections. This step is crucial to prevent electrical failures and ensure the longevity of your vehicle. Test your electric vehicle in a safe and open area, away from traffic and pedestrians, before taking it out on the road. This allows you to identify any issues in a controlled environment and make necessary adjustments without endangering yourself or others. Start with slow speeds and gradually increase speed as you become comfortable with the handling and brakes. This helps you get a feel for the vehicle's performance and ensures that you react appropriately in different situations. Be aware of your surroundings and follow all traffic rules when riding your electric vehicle on public road. Remember, safety is paramount. Always signal. Safety is always prioritize. Safety first. Want to make your electric vehicle even cooler? Here are some awesome upgrades. Add headlights and taillights for safety, especially at night. Keep mud and water off your clothes with stylish fenders. Carry your gear with a sturdy cargo rack on the back. Make your vehicle unique with a cool paint job. Go farther with a bigger, more powerful battery. Get better acceleration and hill climbing with a stronger motor. Monitor speed, battery life, and other stats with a fancy LCD display. These upgrades can make your electric vehicle even more fun and functional. Congratulations! You built your own electric vehicle. You're now part of the electric revolution. Enjoy the feeling of zipping around on your own creation. It's a truly rewarding experience. But it doesn't stop here. Keep tinkering, keep learning, and keep having fun with your electric vehicle. The possibilities are endless. Now go out there and show off your awesome electric ride.